In the quiet of the morning, long before the sun streaks gold across the sky, Jesus rises, eager to meet his people. His hands, the carpenter's hands, rough yet gentle, are raised in a universal gesture of welcome, an invitation to all who seek his way. Come, he seems to say, walk with me. Let's walk together. His voice, like the softest melody, resonates with a depth of compassion that echoes through eternity. He does not come to judge, but to heal. He does not come to condemn, but to set free. In the morning light, Jesus stands before his people, arms open wide, inviting every soul to walk the path of love. He speaks of a heaven not as a distant dream, but as a present possibility. To reach heaven, he says, you must first love one another. Forgive those who have wronged you. Show kindness to all you meet. The path to heaven is not measured by the absence of sin, but by the abundance of love. The world may be filled with trials, with storms that rage, and shadows that fall. But fear not, for God's light shines brightest in the darkness. As you walk, he will be with you, guiding your steps, strengthening your faith. You are not alone on this journey. When you walk together, respecting and caring for one another, you are already walking toward heaven. For in the eyes of God, you are all his children. And the greatest gift you can receive is the assurance of eternal life. But how can you be sure of this gift? How can you know that you are among the number of the saved? It is simple, my friends. Look to Jesus and follow his example. Love one another. Forgive as you have been forgiven. Show mercy as you have received mercy. For in these acts of love, you will find the very essence of your salvation. The promise of eternal life is not a distant hope. It begins with every act of love today. It starts with a smile, a helping hand, a word of kindness, a moment of compassion. This is the way of Christ. And when you follow this way, when you live a life guided by love and compassion, then his peace, the peace of God that surpasses all understanding, will be with you now and forever. Amen.